Very good morning, students. We will discuss in last lecture about the properties of gamma function. And today's lecture, the next property of important property of gamma function. There are the two important properties of gamma function is here, are here, over here. Number one, this. Number one is this. Gamma n upon z to the power n is equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus zx into x to the power n minus 1 into dx. Now prove that here. We know that from the definition of gamma function. This is the definition of gamma function. We discussed in last video lecture the proof of properties of gamma function. The substitution terms are very important in gamma and beta function. So we substitute term are using this proof part is this e to the power minus zx and e to the power minus zx and e to the power minus x to the power n minus 1 x to both are same, but the different term is e to the power minus x, e are same, but power are different. Minus x equal to minus zx. This is the very important term. So on putting x equal to e to the power z, we change the variable x into z because of in the proof part are using in z. Therefore, x equal to 8z. So dx upon dz equal to a. So dx equal to 8dz. Now we substitute the term this. Gamma n is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus az. Separate term is a to the power n minus 1 z to the power n minus 1 into az. A to the power 1 and a to the power n minus 1, therefore a to the power n. This is the final term over here, but this is not proof of this property because of e to the power minus zx, but we have find here e to the power minus az. Okay, and extra term is this and x to the power n minus 1. This is the extra term. So now we replaced a is replaced by z, therefore z to the power n over here in the proof part. So therefore z to the power n. That means a is replaced by z. So this is the z and z is replaced by x. Z is replaced by x. So this is x. Therefore 0 to infinity e to the power a is replaced by z. Z is replaced by x. This is z and x and this is x. Therefore this integration is belongs to in the format of x. Therefore Zn in common term from integral part, therefore Zn is this. So gamma n upon z to the power n is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus zx x to the power n minus 1 into dx. Clear? This is the proof of this property. Now the next property is very important property for the numerical part and proof of some special properties of gamma function. Therefore, property of second is to prove that gamma 1 by 2 is equal to under root pi. This is gamma 1 by 2 is equal to root pi. Now we have beta mn equal to gamma n into gamma n upon gamma n plus n. On putting gamma 1 by 2, this is the very important relation between beta and gamma function. We will discuss about this relation in next video lecture. Okay, so this beta mn equal to this. So on putting m into m is equal to n is equal to 1 by 2. because of gamma 1 by 2. This 1 by 2, n is 1 by 2, this is the 1 by 2. M and n equal to 1 by 2. This 1 by 2, this 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This is 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1, 1. And we have also proved gamma 1 is equal to 1. Beta mn equal to is beta mn equal to integration 0 to 1 x to power m minus 1 and 1 minus x to power n minus 1 into dx. This is the formula of beta function. So therefore x to power 1 by 2 minus 1 minus x to power 1 by 2 minus 1, because of this is the formula. And gamma 1 by 2 both are same, so then gamma 1 by 2 is square, and gamma 1 by 2 is 1 into, we have also proved in last lecture. Therefore x to power 1 by 2 minus 1, this is minus 1 by 2. Same, 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. Therefore both are different, both are negative term. Therefore we change in the positive term. So we have 1 upon root x, and this is 1 upon under root minus 1 minus x into dx is equal to gamma 1 by 2 to the power 2. Okay, now on putting x equal to sine square, we using the trigonometrical term, so x equal to sine square theta, matlab x variable change in the form of theta variable, so dx upon d theta equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta. Therefore dx equal to 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. This x sine square theta 1 minus sine square theta 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to gamma 1 by 2 cos square. Therefore sine theta under root 1 minus sine square theta, that means cos theta, 2 sine theta cos theta, gamma 1 by 2 whole square. This sine theta cos theta will be cancelled over here. We have 0 to pi by 2. This is the very important term. We have the limit, lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 1. Due to substitution x equal to sine square theta, so the limit will be changed also. X equal to 0, this is the 0, x equal to 1, so 1 is belongs to in the trigonometrical form for sine theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore 0 to pi by 2 the limit, this will be cancelled. 2 is the common term, constant term from the outside of integral into d theta equal to gamma 1 by 2 the whole square. This the integral is theta, so upper limit minus lower limit, so 2 into pi by 2, 2 se to cancel this, pi is equal to gamma 1 by 2 the whole square. Therefore we take the square root, therefore under root pi equal to gamma 1 by 2. This the both are important term. First is the relation between gamma and function, gamma and beta function. Now we see here this relation is very important for the purpose of university question papers, and this value is also very important for the numerical and the numerical format and the university question paper. Now we will discuss about the next property in next video lecture of beta and gamma function. Thank you.